Hello students, so in the previous video you learned how to calculate standard deviation using ungrouped data. So next you are going to learn how to calculate standard deviation using grouped data, and that first one is discrete series. Even in discrete series also you are having 4 different ways to calculate. One is actual mean, assumed mean, direct method and step deviation method. So first formula here to calculate actual mean method. So standard deviation, which is equal to summation fx squared divided by summation f, or standard deviation fd, summation fd squared divided by summation f. So d means x minus x bar. Assumed mean square root of summation fd squared divided by summation f minus summation fd divided by summation f the whole square. D means x minus a means assumed mean. Direct method, directly summation f squared divided by summation f minus summation fx divided by summation f whole square. Standard deviation method, step deviation method, standard deviation, which is equal to summation square root of summation fd squared divided by summation f minus summation fd divided by summation f the whole square into c. D means x minus a. D1 means x minus a divided by c. C is your common factor. Okay, let us go to the illustration. So find out the standard deviation for the following data by actual mean method. X values are given and f values are given, right, as it is. X 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. F they had given. So what you want? You want summation f. So total or f values, total of f values, you will get summation f as 48. 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus 13 plus 8 plus 5 plus 4, you will get 48. Next, what you want? Fx. You want fx. So summation f into x. F into x, you will get 18, then 42. 6 into 3, 7 into 6, 8 into 9, 9 into 13, 10 into 8, 11 into 5, 12 into 4, you will get fx. Total it, summation fx, which is equal to 432. Clear? Next, what you want? You can apply the formula. You want x bar. You want d values, isn't it? Else you can directly calculate x squared. Before that you want the x values. How to calculate those x values? X minus x bar, that means d values. X minus x bar, this is, you can take as d only, so that there will be no confusion. So how to calculate d? That means your summation fx divided by summation f. That means 432 divided by 48, you will get 9. So x bar is equal to 9. From x you have to minus 9. 6 minus 9, 7 minus 9, 8 minus 9, 9 minus 9, 10 minus 9, 11 minus 9, 12 minus 9. You will get d values. Next you have to square it. D square. 3 square 9, 2 square 4, 1 square 0, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square. You will get x square values. Next, f into x square. 3 into 9, 6 into 4, 9 into 1, 13 into 0, 8 into 1, 5 into 4, 4 into 9. You will get fx square. F into x square it is. Total it, you will get summation f square. F x square 124. Apply the formula. Square root of 124 divided by 48, you will get square root of 2.58. That means 1.6 as your standard deviation. That is using actual mean method. Next one is assumed mean method. How to apply assumed mean? See here in actual mean, directly you are applying the, first you are finding out the mean value, then you are applying the formulas. For applying d you will get, then you have to square it, so that x square you will get, then f into x you are going. Clear? Next one is assumed mean method. So how to calculate assumed mean method? Same formula, same question. You have to, they had taken into consideration x values and f values. Summation f, you will get 48. Next you have to assume any x values. Here they had assumed a as 10. That means this one they had assumed. So 6 minus 10. D is equal to what? X minus a. 6 minus 10, 7 minus 10, 8 minus 10, 9 minus 10, 10 minus 10, 11 minus 10, 12 minus 10. Either you can assume 9 also, so that you will get the same answer. Previous assumed mean method and actual mean method. Or else you can assume any number. A means actually you can assume your own choice. You can prefer your own numbers from x values. So here they are taken 10, so that you will get D. Next, square it. 4 square, 3 square, 2 square, 1 square, 1 square, 4 square. You will get D. Next, you want one more f into d square. F into d square, you will get 3 into 16, 6 into 9, 9 into 4, 13 into 1, 8 into 0, 5 into 1, 4 into 4. Total, you will get summation d square as 172. Next, what you want? You got summation f d square. Then you got summation f. Next, you want summation f into d, isn't it? So, summation f into d means 3 into minus 4, 6 into minus 3, 9 into minus 2, 3 into minus 1, 8 into 0, 5 into 1, 4 into 2. So that you will get fd as, see here, 13. Then this total. So 18 plus 18, 36, 36 plus 46, 48, 48 plus 13, 50, 61, 61 minus 61 and plus 13, you will get 40 minus 48. Next, apply the formula. Standard deviation, which is equal to summation ft square, you got 172, divided by summation f, you got 48, minus summation fd means you got minus 48, divided by summation f, you got 48 whole square, which is equal to 4 ones are 4, 3.58, minus 48 plus 48, you will get 1. 1 square is 1. So from this you got 2.58, square root of 2.58 is 1.6. Clear? Next, using direct method. Directly you can do x values and f values are given. Directly multiply x into f. 3 6 are 7 into 6, 8 into 9, 9 into 13, 10 into 8, 11 into 5, 12 into 4. You get fx. Next, x square. X square means 6 square. 36 into 3. Instead of that, here only you can write one more so that it will be easy. X square you can do 1. 6 square is 36. 7 square 49. 64. 81. 100. 121. And 144. Okay. Easily you can write. Next, f into x square. 3 into 36, 6 into 49, 9 into 64, 13 into 81, 8 into 100, 5 into 121, 4 into 144. Totally. Then apply the formula. Formula here is standard deviation, which is equal to root of summation fx square. That means you got 4012 divided by summation f, you got as 48, minus summation fx, you got 432, divided by summation f is 48, the whole square. So when you divide 4012 divided by 48, you will get 83.58, minus when you divide 41 ones are 41 nines are So 9 square is 81. So you'll get square root of 2.58, which is equal to 1.61. Next, compute the standard deviation for the following by step deviation method. So x values and f values are given, right as it is. X and f values. Next, you have to find d. D means x minus a. A they had assumed as 25. X minus a, 10 minus 25, 15 minus 25, 20 by minus 25, 25 minus 25, 30 minus 25, 35 by minus 25, you will get d values. Next, these all numbers are divisible by 5, so you can take c as 5. Then you have to find d1, that is x minus a divided by c. X minus a means already you calculate d, that is d by c you can do. D here is minus 15 by 5, minus 10 by 5, minus 5 by 5, 5 by 5, 10 by 5. You will get minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 1 and 2. Next, you have to multiply f into d. That means 2 into minus 3, you will get minus 6. 8 into minus 2, 10 into minus 1, 5 into 0, 3 into 1, 2 into 2. You will get ft1. Next, what you want d square. Then square it. D bar square. 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4, 1 square 0, 1 square 2 square. You will get d1 square. Next, f into d1 square. 2 into 9, 8 into 4, 10 into 1, 15 into 0, 3 into 1, 4 into 2. You will get ft square. Total, you will get summation ft square, which is equal to 71. Summation ft1 is equal to minus 25. Summation f is equal to 40. Now apply the formula. Standard deviation, which is equal to summation fd square, that means 71, divided by summation f, that is 40, minus summation fd, that is minus 25, divided by 40, the whole square, into c has taken as 5. When you multiply 71 by 40, you will get 1 by 1.775, minus, when you multiply minus 25 by 40, you will get into, you will if you square it, you will get 0.391 into 5. You will get square root of 1.384 into 5. Square root of 1.38 means that is 1.1764 as the square value, into 5. You will get 5.88 as the standard deviation using step deviation method. So try to work out these two problems using standard deviation from actual mean and standard deviation from assumed mean. Thank you.